In this video, I'm gonna talk about CSS syntax. Basically, CSS is written in block format. A CSS block is made by a selector, curly braces, and the declarations between them. A CSS block can contain more than one selector or declaration. Now let's have an example of a simple CSS block with a single selector and one declaration. In this example, we will style the h1 we have on this HTML file. Before do it, let's take a look at the file. Since h1 is a reserved HTML attribute, our selector will be h1. I have imported my CSS file and the head of this HTML file. So I can write my codes in the CSS and see the effects on my HTML document. Now I start my CSS block with writing h1 and then curly braces. Then I write my declaration here. For example, color. This part of declaration is called property. Property is separated by colon. In CSS, each property has some reserved values. In this case, we have to give a color to this property. So I write my color here. The last part of a declaration is semicolon. Now I save what I've written and check out my HTML file. As you see, the CSS I've written has taken effect and changed the text color of my h1. In the next videos, we will learn more about CSS blocks and selectors and their declarations.